whatever dolls, welcome back to my channel. So today I have created a bit of a colorful look because I felt like I was staying inside of my comfort zone a couple of weeks ago. Well, these past weeks I felt like I was staying in my comfort zone, so I went ahead and created something colorful for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Do me 3 favors: like, subscribe, and share the video. Like, subscribe, and share the video, you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. If there's something that you want to see, please comment down below. Do not be shy. I love you guys so much. Thank you for your endless support, and I will see you guys in my next video. All right. Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and jump on into this eye. Like, oh my goodness, I was so excited to create this for you guys. It took time, okay, you guys, so do not be mad at me. It took some time, okay? So let's jump into the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna go in with these 2 browns just to give myself my transition color, or as you will, the color that you see from the cut crease. I don't know where this energy is coming from, y'all. Y'all have to excuse me. Like, just excuse me and love me, okay? Just love me. So, I'm going to be using this to, I guess you could call it my transition color. I'm going to be using this to transition. And I'm just building that color up onto what I would want it to be. So now I'm going in with the LA Girl Concealer in the color Creamy Beige, and I'm using this to cut my crease, you guys. Excuse the look. I don't know what the heck or why, but you always look crazy when you have to do some fire work. Tell me I'm wrong. I'm going in with the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm going to be taking this yellow-orange color and applying it closest to my tear duct. Now I'm going in with this pink, and I'm going to be applying that right on top of the yellow, blending it in so that it looks like it transitioned from yellow to pink. So as you guys can see, I kind of went on, like, over on top of the color to blend it, as you guys will see. Like I'm going to do with the purple, I go over the pink just a little bit so that it looks like the purple blended from the pink. Now I'm going in with my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitters. I am using 2, you guys. One is the Gamma Ray and the other is the Punk Rock. I'm going in with my L'Oreal Super Slim Eyeliner, if it ever shows. There we go. My L'Oreal Super Slim Eyeliner, you guys, in the color Black. It does dry matte. And I'm going to be using this to give myself a wing and finish these eyes. I got glitter down there. Oh my gosh. Y'all, glitter is messy, but I love it. It's so cute. Okay, so now for this face, you guys, I'm going in with my Tarte Rainforest Sea Drops. And I'm going to be using that to prime my face. Make sure you shake it because it does have glitter in it. And you want to make sure that you're getting that glitter in your prime. I'm using the Maybelline Superstay foundation to foundate my face. No, I'm just kidding, guys. I'm using the Super Slim Maybelline foundation for my foundation. I'm going to go ahead and spray my brush, my NYX foundation brush, and I'm going to take some water too, apparently. All this talking is thirsty, girl, I know. Okay, so now I'm just blending this concealer, you guys. Oh my God, red. Now I'm blending my foundation out, you guys, with the NYX foundation brush. I believe you can get it from your local drugstore. The brush was like $7. $7, y'all. $7 for a brush. I'm going in with my Tarte Fit Me. I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, you guys, to highlight my face. I don't know what is going on today, y'all. Just pray for me, okay? And I'm using the triangle part so that I don't kind of go into my eyeliner and I keep that crisp, clean look underneath the eyes. I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color Cocoa, and I'm going to be using this to contour my face. I am going to get that forehead too, y'all. You cannot forget it. It's huge. I know. I said it. I'm going to go in with my stipple brush, and I'm going to blend out my concealer. I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, you guys. The color is Banana. And I'm going to be using that to set my concealer underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, and my chin. Always, always, always remember, ladies, spray your sponge. You will thank me later, I promise. Now I'm going in with the LA Colors Contour Palette, and I am going to chisel this face to the gods. Oh, I'm hungry. Oh my God, I hope y'all don't hit my stomach. I'm going to get a baked potato. Just letting y'all know, I'm going to get a baked potato today. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do my under eye really quickly, guys. I'm going in with the pink and purple to just brush up underneath my eye to act as if I had a waterline color. But the eyeshadow on up underneath the eye is very popular, you guys, I'm telling you. I'm going in with the Huda Trophy Wife lip liner to line my lips, give them some definition, give them some shape so they can be to the gods. I'm going in with the NYX Butter Gloss. You guys know, the old reliable, the faithful. I don't even show you guys the product anymore because I'm just known for using it. So this concludes the look, you guys. I don't know why I always fan that spray. I guess because I hated to hit my legs. It'd be so cold. This is the finished look, you guys. I appreciate you so much for tuning into my video. I love you guys so much for the support. Bye!